How to see hidden tagged posts on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can see hidden tagged posts on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you would like to see hidden tagged posts on Instagram, because most likely when people tag you, normally when you come to your profile icon, you'll find them within this particular tab. But if it is still hidden and then you're not being able to find those hidden tags and show on, and then you would like to unhide it, so for that, tap the three lines option and then just go to settings. Once you go to settings, in the search bar, just type in something similar to mentions and it will show tags and mentions here. So tap on tags and mentions. Now here you can see who can tag you. You can set this to allow from everyone. Now you can manage tags, which says review tags. So you can tap on review tags and you'll find any sort of pending tags or tagged one that you have, and then you will be able to unhide them and then get them to the tagged feed here. This way you can actually go ahead and then see hidden tagged posts on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.